Let me get a close up. Hello everyone, my name is Brendan Jordan and I am at home with 17 for beauty school, baby. You know what I mean? Because we're just enhancing. Apply that lip gloss on. Now, I am here to show you something really cool, really exciting. Just like my character, Benny, on Attaway General, I love makeup. I love exploring with makeup, and I am sure you guys are also having fun watching his makeup game evolve too. I'm obsessed with makeup. I'm in love with playing with makeup, and makeup really taught me how to fully express myself. Our face is a canvas, and we can just express whatever we want on it. With that whole message of expressing yourself and having fun through and with makeup, baby, I am here to show you something that I personally like to do when I'm about to finish off a look. I'm going to show you my tips and tricks on how I achieve the perfect lip gloss application, but not just any lip gloss application, because today I'm going to show you how to fully define your lips and make your lips just the absolute exclamation point of your face, as it should be, baby. But before I go into this, I just want to say a quick reminder: you are beautiful no matter what you look like, no matter who you are, because what true beauty is the person that you are on the inside, baby. And just because makeup is all about changing your look and enhancing it in a certain way, you just got to remember to always be happy with what you have on underneath, because at the end of the day, makeup comes off and this is all you got. So just give yourself a big hug right now if you're watching this. I used to hide behind my makeup, but now I'm using it as more of a way to express myself, as you can probably tell by this supernatural going to school makeup look. So this first step is a little bit extra, but if you really want a flawless lip product application, you're going to need to exfoliate your lips. Now, I wouldn't recommend doing this every day, like maybe just 2 to 3 times a week. So I'm going to be taking the lip scrub. That's what it's literally called, and it's from a brand called Not For Sale. Just kind of ironic because they're literally a brand that sells stuff. This is my all-time favorite lip scrub, because not only does it exfoliate my lips, but it also moisturizes them as well. So it's like I'm putting on chapstick but also exfoliating. It's weird because usually when you exfoliate, it just leaves your lips like so raw feeling, if that makes sense. But anyways, yeah, you can do this in the shower. It'd probably be easier in the shower because it's getting all over on the floor now. It does't taste that good. I wouldn't recommend eating it, but it has a lot of good oils in here that's really gonna nourish your lips. As well as also taking all the dead skin cells off. And honestly, you don't have a good makeup look unless you have the skincare on point. Okay, so after you're done scrubbing your lips, you're probably gonna you see that? Gonna be left with that nastiness. I'm gonna wipe it off. So I'm just taking a dirty towel and wiping that off. I usually just wash it off with water, but I'm not at a sink right now. So now that we finished with the lip scrub, that was an optional step, by the way. You don't have to do it, but if you want the best one ever, you're gonna want to have it. I am going in with my first makeup product, my lip liner. Now this is the ColourPop Cosmetics Lippy Pencil in the shade Cool BFF. Now I would recommend using a cool tone shade when you're going in with a lip liner, especially if you want to change the shape of your face, because a cool tone shade is gonna mimic a contour shade. So it's pretty much like you're contouring your lips in a way. So what I do is I take my little sharpener here, make sure that lip pencil's sharpened. Now that it's really sharp, I will look into a mirror, and honestly, I'm not gonna overline my entire lips. I am overlining to a certain extent, but I'm overlining with a certain technique. And watch. So I'm only gonna really be overlining on my Cupid's bow right here and in the center of my lips, so that it really gives that full 3D effect. Because if I just overline my entire lip, it's not gonna really, you'll see, you know what I mean? It'll just give me big lips, but that's not really the point. I wanna define kind of what I already have to a certain extent. So just watch and learn. Just define that Cupid's bow. See how I'm really only overlining there, and it's already caused such a dramatic effect. My lip is just swooping up. This is just how much fun you can have with makeup. Doing the same thing on this side. Okay, so as you can see, I really only am overlining on the Cupid's bow, and then the rest is just connecting it to the corners of the mouth. There we go. See how it's created such an effect with not as much product, which is like the goal here. You know what I mean? Because we're just enhancing. Now taking that in the center. Probably look a mess right now, honey. And then connect this to the corners of the mouth. So like I said, I'm only really overlining in the center part of my lip. And then the rest is just filling the lip in. I don't know why I'm crinkling my nose like that. Okay, period. Now after you have this, I'm just gonna be taking my all-time favorite lip gloss. This is the Fenty Beauty in the shade Fussy, F-U $Y, because it's Rihanna, of course. And Rihanna is the queen of the dollar signs, baby. I don't know what that meant. I'm like deliriously speaking right now. Anyways, apply that lip gloss on. And there you go, baby. We are feeling our lip life. Let me get a close up. Hi. Well, you guys, there you have it. A simple, quick little tutorial as to how I like to do my lips whenever I'm wearing makeup. I usually always opt for a glossy lip just because matte lips tend to be more drying, and glossy lips are just really pretty and they reflect light and they just like make you feel so like luxurious, you know what I mean? Once again, guys, my name is Brendan Jordan. Thank you so much for watching. You can follow me at Brendan W. Jordan, baby. Come check her out. And for more videos like this one, do not forget to subscribe to 17's YouTube channel. I will see you all on the next one, and I hope you are having an amazing, fabulous, beautiful, beautimous, gorgeousness day. Goodbye.